Power, precision, productivity. This is the Hyundai HX1000AL, built to dominate the toughest jobs. With up to a 9 cubic yard bucket, an impressive 88,185 pound breakout force, and Hyundai's smooth hydraulic system, every movement is optimized for maximum efficiency. Fueled by a 629 horsepower Perkins engine, the HX1000AL delivers impressive power and stability with a 221,000 pound operating weight. This machine is backed by Hyundai's 3-year, 3,000-hour full machine warranty, plus a 5-year, 10,000-hour structural warranty. Want a quote? Call us today at 1-877-NED-DIRT and let us be your first choice for heavy equipment.